that you want to create a perfect winter wardrobe for yourself and you're looking for good quality, affordable options, trust me, I got you covered. I have ordered quite a few options from Savara and it's a mix of like cardigans and sweaters. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First one that we have here, it's a half placket sweatshirt. It's in the color apricot and it retails for 1,290 rupees. Trust me when I say that, I really love the way it fits on me. It feels so relaxed and it's stretchable. As you can see, it comes with collar and to me, it's so chic. I love collars. It also comes with like long sleeves and the material is polyester, which means it will keep you warm all day, all night. Perfect for winters, completely a 10 on 10. Second one that we have here, it's a printed pullover sweatshirt. It's in the color burgundy and it retails for 1,390 rupees. But honestly speaking, the fit is really nice. It comes with round neck and long sleeves, so it's super modest and super comfortable. Material again is a combination of polyester and cotton, so it's definitely a 10 on 10 and perfect for winters. The third one that we have here, again, it's a printed pullover sweatshirt, but it's in the color blue and it's for 952 rupees. Yes, only 952 rupees. Like as compared to other cardigans or sweaters I have got, it's the I think it's the most affordable option. Now it's an oversized sweatshirt and for some reason nowadays I'm so much into oversized clothes. I don't know why, but to be very honest, this one is so relaxing, so comfortable and it's stretchable too. Again, it has got like round necks, long sleeves, which is perfect for winters and it's so comfortable. Again, the quality of product is really great and it's perfect for winters. You can style it in multiple ways, like the fake collars you get from Amazon, your denims, your leggings, multiple ways. So it's perfect. It's definitely a 10 on 10. Next up we have here, it's this very beautiful floral knit cardigan. I got it in the color pink and it retails for 1,192 rupees. I have been seeing these kind of cardigans everywhere, like it's available everywhere. They're so in trend right now. So I thought of getting one for me and just look at this. It's so Pinteresty and so cutesy. So I have to buy it. The material of the cardigan is so 10 on 10. I really love the way it fits on me and it has got like bows on it, which is very pretty, very cute. Again, Pinteresty, right? Which is so in trend right now. So girls, it's a must have and it's available in 6 different colors. You can pick yours. Fifth one that we have here, it's again a knit cardigan. It's in the color red and it retails for 1,490 rupees. Now this one comes with a round neck, long sleeves, which is like super modest and comfortable, perfect for winters, and the material is so 10 on 10. I really love the way it fits on me as well. And just look at it once, it's giving me more of like Korean vibes. Last but not the least, we have here, it's this block knit cardigan. It's in the color of white and it retails for 1,290 rupees. And this one comes with V-neck, long sleeves and काफी stretchable भी है. इसका material, I mean the material quality बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. It's so 10 on 10. And just look at it once, it's giving me like Emily in Paris vibes. I really love the way it fits on me and it seems so chic. So it's a must have, definitely a 10 on 10. That's it for the video, and if you really like, you know the procedure, right? Just like, share and subscribe, and all the links for the cardigans and sweaters would be in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Bye.